All right, let's see how it works. Hey guys, welcome to my daily coding challenge. And before I continue, you will be listening to some baby noises in the background. That would be my daughter playing in the background. So basically, what I do that certain days of the week I practice at home for about 1 hour before I go to work, and my daughter is in the daycare. However, Saturday, my wife doesn't work and my daughter doesn't work either. So while my wife is going to do something on the background, I look after the baby. However, I take advantage of study a little bit, do some coding. She's nice, she's cute, she sometimes makes some noises, and she's curiously looking at my laptop, thinking what daddy is doing. So yeah, that's my thing, and objective of this video and this program is nothing to do with me creating contents for YouTube. It's essentially whole idea is for myself. I want to do coding about 10,000 hours if possible, but I did some realistic calculation. Realistically, I can do about 1 hour of coding for 4 days a week, let's say 5 days a week, and then in the weekend I can do about 4 hours per day, which is in total about 8 hours. So 8 hours plus 5 hours, that would be 13 hours altogether per week. I reduce 1 hour, let's say, for whatever reason. That could be anything. That could be something, hey, something interesting happened, something urgent needs to be done. So realistically, let's say 12 hours per week of coding that I can do. That makes about, roughly 48 hours per month. Multiply about 50 hours per 50 weeks, multiply about 48 hours. Let's say it relies somewhere about 2,000 something hours per year. So that means that I have to do coding about for 5 years in order to reach to 10,000 hours, which is significant. Now, realistically, I should be able to have a basic idea of coding by 2,000 to 3,000 hours. So if I dedicate at least first year, I should be able to have like a basic fundamental idea of coding, for example, no matter what I'm doing. That could be, even though HTML is not a programming language, but that's a part of the ecosystem. So HTML, CSS, what's the other one? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then followed by essentially the whole, my objective is to finish the 3,000 hours of free code camp curriculum. Now they say that I need about 3,000 hours of programming or work to finish the curriculum, but the way I'm going, it's going to take longer, at least for the beginning. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the night mode because it's too dark. So yeah, and just to be clear, so what I'm trying to do, I'm going to record my whole journey and then post it on YouTube to prove myself that I've done my work. I didn't skip anything. I went through all the struggle. It's for me, it's my daily journal. So I invite you to follow along. So either you can stay with me for 1 hour looking at this video, or you turn on this video as an accompany and then do your own coding. Think about it as you were in the gym and you have your gym partner. Now, your gym partner doesn't necessarily do exactly the same thing as you are doing. He could be doing something else, but he is next to you. So that motivates you to do your own stuff. So take me as your gym company, your gym partner. So you do your own coding for 1 hour, I do my own coding for 1 hour, and we help each other. I could do live streaming. There's a lot of options to do live streaming. First of all, I'm using a Chromebook. It's convenient for me. So the live streaming option is not the best. The second thing is that I know even if I had the option of live streaming, I don't think that would be practical because time zone, your time and my time, your available time and my available time could be very different from each other. So realistically, again, the time that I'll be coding, you would be working somewhere else or you'd be sleeping. So you just have to click my YouTube video and then just simply do at your own time. Objective is that I become responsible for my own action, and and accountable. I should be accountable for my own action, and I should be seeing it in front of my own eyes. So do you. So after 10,000 hours, that would be a biggest achievement of my life, and I should be, that's just for, again, it's just for me, but you are more than welcome to follow along because you can do 10,000 hours with me, and that would be awesome. That's the whole idea of doing it. Today, you don't need the best tutorials available. You just need to do it first and see how it goes. Just for a quick overview, if I go back to the curriculum, I actually already have done I started the responsive web design, and then at the bottom I actually quite advanced till 66 out of 69 of learn HTML by building a cat photo app. Took me forever to actually do it. It's very complicated, and I only have 3 of them to finish my learn HTML by building a cat photo app, and it took me forever. And then I had to take about 2 months of pause because I had many responsibility, including a birth of my baby plus family visits after that and all the following responsibility. So I had to catch up a lot, which means that when I start the 67, I almost kind of forgot a lot of things. That will come back because then I have a learn HTML forms by building a registration form thing. That should help me to refresh my memory, but I'm going to try to finish the 3. That would be good. In the CSS though, I do have a lot of classes, about 91, and CSS colors by building a set of color markers, that would be about 94. That's a lot actually. And then finally 65, the same learning HTML forms by building a registration form. Well, once I'm done, that should give me, I still have the learn CSS, another learn CSS course, 2 second CSS course, typography by building a nutrition label, and learn accessibility by building a quiz. And after that, I should be able to have a certificate. So that's a long way to go, to be honest. Even though I advanced a little bit, but God, that's a lot. That would be a lot of things to do. Then, yeah, my objective is to finish the entire curriculum. How I'm going to do it, I don't know, but you always have to try before, coming to the conclusion. So that'll be all for today. I'm going to take back something from next week. So tomorrow I'm going to try to do another 1 hour of coding. For today, that's the overview of my journey. Again, I welcome you to join me in this journey.